Hey everyone, welcome to kitchen28. Today we are making a yummy yam sandwich. So first we'll need our beans, we need our bread, and of course our yams. We are making a yummy yam sandwich. So I hate yams. Who hates yams? I do. I really hate yams, but with this recipe you will find ways of how you can make yams really taste great. So first I smashed my yams and added, because the yams are kind of very dry, so when I smashed them they were really very chunky, and I needed them to be a little bit watery so that I can spread them on the bread easily. So I added some milk to the yams. Don't put a lot of milk, just put a little to make it easy to spread on your bread. And of course the beans, I smashed the beans too, and of course they had some water. Then I used bean soup in the beans. I smashed the beans and I added bean soup and I mixed all that up. Then for the bread, I buttered my bread with some butter, and then I grilled the side that I buttered. I buttered one side and I grilled that side. And if you don't have butter, you can use some olive oil or vegetable oil and just put some on the bread, spread some on the bread, brush some on the bread, and you can grill that. So it's as easy as paste. You just have to spread your yams first. Of course, the yams, I first spread the yams. Very easy to make. It's instant, fast, delicious, very delicious, by the way. Do not doubt me. It is the best sandwich you can have made out of a yam. And the perfect part of it is that the yam, if you don't like the yam, like I don't like the yam, you would actually find great taste in this sandwich because it's really perfect. So I add my beans and spread. You see, the beans are easy to spread. So for my beans, I added some onions and tomatoes and some oil and all that. Of course, that's for another video. But I just added some onions for some flavor, some tomatoes, and I used bean soup and mixed that up. And look, all we have to do is now close the sandwich. Easy, right? Just trying to fix it very well. That is done. Your sandwich is done, and you can eat your beautiful, yummy, delicious sandwich. How easy is that? Look at that. Really mouth watering, by the way. And just for disclaimer, please don't hate on me. I'm ready to learn. If you don't like something, please advise me. And by the way, just to remind you, make sure you don't burn your bread. Do not burn your bread, because the moment you burn your bread, burnt butter, you don't want burnt butter. When it's burnt, it's bad. So don't burn your bread. Make sure you don't, because it will really taste weird and ugly and bad in your mouth. So spread that too. Now I'm making my second sandwich. Please subscribe to my channel. Please don't just watch, please subscribe, please like. These videos are really hard to put together. You have to make recipes, and these recipes, you have to first test what you're doing before you even put it on the platform. And sometimes you get food poisoning, like actual food poisoning. So your subscribe will really help develop my channel, will really help the growth of my channel. And Please help me, please support me, please don't hate on me. You can advise me, it's okay. Tell me what you didn't like, but please don't hate on me. Please, please, please. So I the second sandwich is also done. As I spread my bread. And guess what? This was very instant, very easy, and very delicious. Believe me, do not doubt me, do not fear. I know some of you are like, oh my god, how can you put a yam on bread? Believe me, you should try it. You should just try it. Do not wonder. It's very perfect, by the way. It's very nice. It's easy to make. So I just have to cut my sandwich and show you how it looks on the inside. Look at that. Just look at that. Let me try getting off some pieces of bread so you can see the real inside. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Some white, some brown, some dark, some bread. That's very perfect. Look at that. Please, I know some of you are like, oh my god, is he okay? Is he not poisoning us? No, believe me, this is tested out. It is not poison. It is really delicious. It's very sweet, very nice, easy to make. It's very nice, but very nice. So do not hesitate. Just make yourself a yummy yam sandwich, and believe me, through this you will like your yams. Believe me, you will like your yams, because I hate yams, but playing with them, making them, adding them to different dishes, making them look different, making them, all that makes me love yams the more, though I really hate them personally. So though I'm gonna eat this, let me test that. Check that out. Let me test again. It is very sweet, very delicious. I'm sorry to use the word sweet, but it is delicious.